Meadow and Arizona. Thank you for joining us for today's ultimate sister adventures, cooking adventures.
And on today's culinary cooking adventures is taking us to our kitchen, where we're going to be making a no-bake cookies. The things you need to make this is half a cup of butter, 2 cups sugar, half a cup of milk, a 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, half cup of creamy peanut butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 3 cups quick cooking oats.
Now let's get started.
The first thing we are going to do is add in our butter, our sugar, yes please,
Butter. We've got butter stuff on the spoon.
the milk,
Milky Way. It looks like a Milky Way.
it kind of does, and our unsweetened cocoa powder.
Cocoa. I don't know that song.
Yes.
Maybe.
Yeah. We're going to mix it up.
Stir it, stir it, stir it.
And now we are going to boil this mixture for 1 minute. We'll be right back. We're back! And we are done boiling the mixture, and now it's time to go on to the next step. We are going to add our peanut butter and our vanilla extract.
Vanilla. Peanut butter. Ooh, peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Ooh, peanut.
That's right. You like peanut butter vanilla?
Peanut butter vanilla. Wait, vanilla peanut butter time. I don't know how to go with it. Like,
Wonder how it tastes.
like peanut butter vanilla. Vanilla peanut butter time.
I'd go with peanut butter jelly. So it'd be like you replace jelly with peanut butter. I mean, it's vanilla.
Yeah.
And now we're going to stir it in. We are done mixing it in, and now we are going to add in our oats.
Dun, 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 dun.
Here, stir some. Okay, now stir.
Let's stir it to the.
We are done mixing in the oats to the mixture, and now it is time to put the cookie mixture onto a pan, onto a tray with parchment paper on it.
A cookie tray?
Yeah, a cookie tray. Oh, and you're also going to like put them flat on the paper. You're not going to have balls because you're going to let this cool. You're going to let it cool. You're not going to put it in the oven where the heat would just kind of like flatten it. So you're going to have to put in flat.
And we'll be back when we're complete.
We're done putting the cookie mixture onto the tray, and now you're going to let it cool and harden for 20 to 30 minutes, either in the fridge or on the counter. So you'll see when it's all done. The cookies are done! And now it's time for the best part. To try them! So excited.
I'm going to pick this one.
I'm going to pick this one. This is what they look like.
Good. It's good. I can really feel the texture of the oatmeal.
Good.
Very chocolatey, but not too chocolatey.
I would say that 8 out of 10 range chocolatey. It's kind of like a creamy dark chocolate, and then the oatmeal, it kind of gives it like this chewy-ish texture.
So yeah, the oatmeal like basically made it very chewy, and also it's very creamy. It like sort of melts in your mouth and leaves the oatmeal bits.
And you kind of just eat those. Yeah, it kind of tastes like a dark chocolate creamy flavor. Very good. I'm surprised now how long it took. Just it's like a few minutes, like maybe 10 minutes, maybe. Real quick. Throw them in the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes, and put them on a plate and just eat them.
That easy.
That easy. Wow. I'm impressed.
And that's how you make
A non-bake oatmeal chocolate cookie. Yeah, actually, that's very good. I would rate it. For me, I'd rate it like 8 out of 10 because I'm not the person who eats a lot of candy stuff all the time. So when I'm just feeling it, I would eat these. But I kind of rate it a 9 out of 10 just because of how I don't eat chocolate and stuff all the time.
I rate it 8.5 because it's very chocolatey, but I really like chocolate like most of the time. But I really like it. But 8.5 is because I think my teeth, it's too chewy for my teeth.
A little chewy for her teeth, so she got 8.5 out of 10. I got 8 out of 10 just because I don't eat a lot of chocolate. Well, I mean I do, but that's when I feel like it. But yeah, that's how we rate it. That's how we like it. We would really recommend this. Like if you just wanted something to grab real quick to eat, instead of like if you wanted to make something and you didn't want to bake anything, like you didn't want to use a lot of things, you just throw it in a pot. Throw the 4 ingredients in the pot, then add in those last things, mix it up, boil it real quick, and then just put it in the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes, or let it sit on the counter, and then you have a little cookie.
That concludes our cooking travels for today. We hope to see you tomorrow.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Join us on another
Ultimate Sister Rain Show. Bye.